Hey folks, this is the 5-piece outdoor furniture set from Cosiest brand. Assemble it yourself, comes in 2 boxes. Pretty straightforward. Pretty nice set. Cushions come vacuum packed inside the box, so you just unwrap the wrapping and they fluff out. It's supposed to be weatherproof. It's plastic style rattan look wicker furniture. Very nice, pretty sturdy once you get it all together. It's 3 pieces, you stack them side by side, and the couch, you know, it's got clips you connect it with, the ottoman, and the glass top table. And when you're putting these together, here's some tips. They give you a little Allen wrench, a little hex wrench in the kit, and it's about 3 inches long. If you got them, get you a long set with the ball end on it. It'll allow you to get in there and you can spin them down a lot faster, and then at the end you can put some torque on them and tighten them up all the way, because the little wrench they send you in the bag is inadequate at best. I used an impact gun, little 12-volt Milwaukee with a 4mm bit, and if you go that route, just be cautious. You don't want to over torque that, because the little hardware they send you is not a grade 8 bolt for certain, and you can strip the head out of those real quick with that impact, especially if you have it cross-threaded a little bit. So get it started a good way and then cinch it down if you want. So there you go. That's the 5-piece outdoor furniture set by Cosiest brand. Thanks for watching.